Most people think creating a professional art gallery website is complicated, but the surprising truth is that Wix makes it surprisingly easy even if you have no coding experience. First, sign up for a Wix account and select the art gallery template. These templates are designed with galleries in mind, featuring portfolio pages, image sliders, and artist bio sections. Most people get this wrong by trying to build from scratch, which wastes time and can lead to design issues. Next, customize the homepage with your gallery's branding. Upload high-quality images of your artworks and add titles, descriptions, and artist statements. Use Wix drag-and-drop editor to adjust layouts, colors, and fonts. You won't believe what happens next. Wix automatically optimizes images for mobile, so your website looks great on phones and tablets without extra work. Set up a portfolio page for individual artists or exhibitions. You can add filters for categories, mediums, or dates to make it easy for visitors to navigate. Add an About page with your gallery story and an Events page to showcase upcoming exhibitions. If you plan to sell art, enable Wix stores. Add product listings for each artwork, set pricing, and configure shipping options. Wix also supports multiple payment gateways, including credit cards and PayPal. Most people get this wrong by thinking e-commerce is complicated, but Wix handles most of the technical setup automatically. Finally, connect a custom domain, enable SEO tools, and publish your site. Wix also offers email marketing and social media integrations to help attract visitors. The surprising truth is that in a few hours, you can have a fully functional, professional-looking art gallery website that showcases your work beautifully and even sells online. Subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials that help you create stunning websites without coding.